we begin? It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of grade 3 students and teachers. We extend a very warm welcome to our respected chairperson, Riya Tarema ma'am, principal ma'ams, Mrs. Girdat Kumari and Mrs. Neelam Bharadwaj ma'am. Dear parents, teachers and my dear friends, let us begin our program with an auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. I request our chairperson, Riya Tarema ma'am, principal ma'ams, Mrs. Girdat Kumari and Mrs. Neelam Bharadwaj to come for lighting of the lamp. SDG goals and development goals. SDGs are 17 global goals set by the United Nations to make the world a better place by 2030. They cover basic human needs. We are exploring 4 important goals to make the world a better place: low poverty, good health, quality education, and peace and justice. Now, I would like to request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Girdat Kumari, to guide us with the words of wisdom.
Chairperson Riya ma'am, my colleague Neelam, all the esteemed guests for today's function, the parents of our students. The parent community is always a special community for every school. We thank you, dear parents, for being here today. And my dear children, you have been practicing for so many days and you've been enjoying these practices. Am I right? Yes. I don't need to ask them because I could see the excitement build, and as they learned, as they developed the skills, it got better. And now when we see them on stage, I'm sure it's going to be wonderful and it's going to be a surprise for all of us that they can do so much. The children together as a team become a very strong part of the school community. And when we empower our children, our students, we empower the society, the future citizens of this country, of this world. The theme for today's show, the Sustainable Development Goals. These are the goals set by the UN, United Nations. And as per the new education policy, every school, every institution has to touch upon these sustainable development goals, and children begin at a young age. We underestimate them, but their understanding and their perspective about these goals is absolutely different. Yes, I know you all understand. When you talk about these goals, they can make a connection. There are 17 goals. The children make connections as and when they come across incidences, they come across some reading passages that the teachers give them. And today the whole presentation is based on some of the sustainable development goals. 17 goals together would be difficult. So the children and the teachers together picked a few sustainable development goals and have come up with presentations. So without much delay, I would now ask the students to take over the stage. Are you all ready? Good luck to all of you, and we are waiting to see you all on stage.
Let's add up to make a big difference. We can start learning about SUC and PP, one that we care. We can make small changes in our daily lives, like turning off lights to save the energy, or sharing the toys with friends. We can also tell others about the Sustainable Development Goals and get them to join in too. If we all work together, we can make the world a fairer, cleaner and happier place for everyone. Just remember, every small action we can take make a big difference. Here we present the song for you that is your neighbor team. Just like how we wash our hands to stay clean, yoga helps take care of ourselves from the inside out. It's like special kind of exercise that makes us feel happy, focused and relaxed. As DK Cleanings, we want to make sure everyone in the world has access to good health care and can lead healthy lives. Yoga is one way to achieve that. Think of your body like a garden. Yoga is like watering and nurturing a garden so it grows strong and healthy. SCG3 is like making sure everyone has a beautiful garden, and yoga is one tool to help make that happen. Connect yoga to the concept of taking care of oneself and relates it to the global goal of good health and well-being. Here is a small but deep presentation by our friends.
Padmasana. Relax. Ardha Chandra Asana. Relax. Ekpada Asana. Relax. Vajrasana. Padmasana. Relax. Uttanasana. Relax. Setu Bandhasana. Bend your knees up. Relax. Savasana. Chakra Asana. 1, 2, 3, up. Relax. Sarvang Asana. Sarvang Asana. Relax. Bhujanga Asana. 1, 2, 3, up. Relax. Bhujanga Asana. Up. Relax. Sarva Asana. Relax. Parvati Asana. Pranam. Yes, next. 1, 2, 3, up. Relax. Stand up. Pranam. Yes. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed it. Now, we are going to speak about SDG 16. SDG 16 is like a big stage where everyone works together to create a peaceful and fair play. That's what it's all about. Creating a world where everyone works together, respects each other, and makes sure everyone is treated fairly. It also helps create rules and laws that keep everyone safe and happy. SDG 16 is like a script for a peaceful and just world. Just as the script guides actors to work together to tell a story, SDG 16 guides and creating a fair and peaceful world. Here we present The Merchant of Venice, a play by William Shakespeare.
Our story begins in the beautiful city Venice, where Antonio and Bassino are best friends and they were meeting today to discuss about Bassino's problem.
Who is the lady that you today promised to tell me of?
This is not unknown to you, Antonio. How I have lost my estate. Antonio, my friend, I owe you the most in money and in love. And from your love, I have a guarantee to unburden all my problems.
Let me know, dear friend, how can I help you? Whatever I have is for you.
In Belmont is a beautiful lady named Portia, whom I wish to marry, and she is very rich. Oh, Antonio, but I have no wealth like her suitors. I am less in fortune.
You know all my fortunes are at sea, but you can go forth and try. What my credit can do in Venice to help you marry beautiful Portia.
Basilio goes to the richest man of Venice to get a credit of 3,000 ducats. 3,000 ducats? Well,
Yes, sir, for 3 months.
for 3 months? For which I told you, Antonio shall be born. He is a good man, but you have to understand my concern that though his name is sufficient and he has many ventures squandered abroad, but his ships are on board and sailors upon men, they are water thieves and land thieves, and the bearer of water, wind and rocks, and only the words of a man are not sufficient. Enter Antonio. This is Signor Antonio. How like a humble man he looks, but I hate him for his Christian. The more than his simplicity, he lends her money for free and brings down the rate of credit in Venice. Shylock, what do you mean? I need to think about giving credit to you.
Well, Shylock, we shall be grateful to you if you help.
Mr. Antonio, many a time you have questioned me about my terms of credit interest. Still, I tolerated it with patience because that Jewish God will always make you suffer. You have insulted me many a times. Now, how do you expect me to help you?
I agree to what you say, and I still do not approve to your terms of interest. But it's a great deal for you. You should lend money to your enemy, because if I fail to return the money, you will never have a better opportunity to take revenge through anything.
Shylock starts thinking why his friend Tobal poisons his mind and convinces him to accept Antonio's proposal. Yes, Shylock, he is right. That's the perfect way to take him. Ha 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 ha! Kindness man show! Come with me to me! See me upon and in a merry spot. If you are unable to pay in 3 months, let the interest be, and if a part of your flesh to be cut off and taken for a part of your body, I please too.
I have faith in Lord, so I'll seal the bond.
Salerio, a messenger from Venice, enters with an unfortunate news that Antonio's ship are lost in the sea due to storm. Master Antonio is very unfortunate, but we have lost the ships in the storm and they are nowhere to be found. Due to this misfortune, Antonio was unable to pay Shylock's money and so he is called in the court. Meanwhile, Leonardo, who is the servant of Bassino, goes to Bassino with this unfortunate news. Bassino, Signor Antonio has lost his ship and now he has been called into court because Shylock's money interest with his flesh. Bassanio gets tense on hearing the news and sends message to Portia, telling her about the misfortunes of Portia's waiting. Wade gives the news to Portia. My lady, a messenger has come from Venice. Misfortune has struck Master Antonio, and he has been called in the court to pay a pound of flesh to Shylock as interest. What? That's not good. How can we let you be so cruel? Nerissa, please call Balthazar. We need give a letter of recommendation to help Signa Antonio. Balthazar enters. Balthazar, rush to Brother Ballenio and seek his consent to get the letter of recommendation. Balthazar rushes to read the letter. Is Antonio here? Yes, Your Majesty. So please, Your Grace. I am sorry for you, but you have become captive of this inhumanity. But I am incapable of any pity. The Lord doesn't allow me to have mercy. I know no lawful means can carry me out of his enemy's reach. Duke felt very sad for Antonio, because a kind man like him did not deserve this suffering. He sadly asked the courtiers to call Shylock. Someone go and call the Jew in the court. Shylock enters the court with a grin. Make room and let him stand before me. Shylock, we all think that you have lacks mercy. It's sheer cruelty. My Lord, with all the respect to your grace, I know what I propose, and I have no mercy for this man Antonio. And if you ask me why I chose to have his flesh rather than receive my 3,000 ducats back, then the reason is nothing more than a long-haired hate I bear for him. Antonio and old Shylock both stand for let's start the proceedings. Seen in the courtroom where people have gathered to pray for Antonio and also see that mercy is granted and justice prevails. Nerissa, Bassanio and Portia enter the courtroom. Portia and Nerissa are disguised as man and Portia has the letter to fight for Antonio as a lawyer while Nerissa assists her as her judge. Portia identifies herself as Balthazar. Your Majesty, this is Balthazar, young doctor of law, to seek your permission to pledge mercy and justice for Signa Antonio. Duke shakes his head and commands to proceed. Young Balthazar, you may proceed. Is your name Shylock? Yes. Antonio, you stand within his danger, do you not? Yes, indeed. Do you confess this bond? I do. Shylock, don't you feel you should be merciful? On what compulsion must start? Mercy is not a compulsion. It drops as a gentle rain from the heaven above in the hearts of mankind. My rains are upon my head, I want the law, the penalty and the fulfillment of my bond. Is Antonio not able to pay back the money? Yes, but I am here to give it for him in the court and twice the sum. If that will not suffice, I will pay 10 times or on forfeit of my hands, my head, my heart. It must not be. There is nothing that can change the law. Yes, justice prevails. I request you to let me see the bond. Well, this bond says that if Antonio is unable to pay the money on the given date, then lawfully Shylock may claim a pound of flesh to be cut off to nearest Antonio's heart. Be merciful, Shylock. Take twice the money and let me clear the bond. No, I want a penalty. I request the court to give the judgment. Why then, you must prepare your heart for the knife. A am well prepared. Give me your hand, Bassanio, and let me fare you well. Grieve not that I am fallen to this, for your friendship is much more worth than my life. Do not waste time. Wait a little. This bond don't give you the right to have even a drop of his blood. It says clearly, just upon the flesh. So take it then, but in cutting it, if you shed one drop of his blood, all your lands and goods are by the laws of Venice. Oh, that's great, Judge. A dagger has come for justice. Is that the law? As you have justice, you will have justice. I take this offer, then pay the bond price and let Antonio go. Here is the money. Wait, let Shylock have all justice. No haste. You shall have nothing but the penalty. Why have you brought Shylock? Take your forfeiture. Give me my principal and let me go. He has refused it in open court. He shall have money, justice, and is gone. Shall I not have bail you, my principal? Thou shalt have nothing but your forfeiture to be taken at your wish. Why then, the devil give him good of it. Wait, Shylock, the law has yet another hold on you. By the laws of Venice, your wealth is forfeited to the state for having conspired against the life of one of its citizens. Your life lies at the mercy of him you conspired against. Therefore, down on your knees and beg pardon. I forgive you before you ask, on the condition that you give half of all you possess to people in need and become a good human. Do you agree, Shylock? I agree. Thus, with cautious intelligence and great justice and mercy was done, all end with happiness and peace. Which is the key aspect of SDG 16? Love and compassion can bring people together to create positive change, which is the key principle of SDG 16. Main goal of SDG is strengthening institutions and promoting cooperation among countries. Here we present the song Heal the World, Make It a Better Place by Michael Jackson. The song aligns with SDG 16's goal of creating a peaceful and just world. We hope to inspire everyone to become active global citizens and work toward creating a more peaceful and just world.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. There's a place much brighter than tomorrow. If you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. There's a place Get out on the open road to the fields of gold. Side by side, it hurts the most, and you feel like letting go. We get knocked down, we'll rise again. We won't give up, we won't forget. It's who we are, forever young. Light up the dark, break down these walls. That's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are.
Wow, what a wonderful performance! It touched your heart. नमस्कार, आज हम यहाँ मौजूद हुए हैं ताकि हम न केवल सिर्फ रास्ते के सदर विकास लक्ष्यों पर विचार कर सके, बल्कि उस महान व्यक्तित्व को भी याद कर सके जिसने SDG 1 गरीबी उन्मूलन और SDG 4 गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा को अपने जीवन और कार्यों के माध्यम से साकार किया। डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम। डॉक्टर कलाम का जीवन इस बात पर जीता जागता उदाहरण है कि कैसे एक साधारण परिवार से आने वाला व्यक्ति शिक्षा और कड़ी मेहनत के बल पर देश का सबसे ऊंचे पद प्राप्त कर सकता है। आज हम एक नाटक के माध्यम से उनके जीवन के कुछ महत्वपूर्ण पहलुओं को आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने वाले हैं।
क्या आप 15 पीढ़ियों को कह पाएंगे कि हमने डॉक्टर कलाम को देखा था, लेकिन देश के जो हालात हैं, जिन स्थितियों में देश गुजर रहा है, उसमें एक शख्स जिस तरीके से ख्वाब लिए चलता है और उसके जरिए जिंदगी जीता है, लगता है ये ख्वाब ही तो है। कलाम साहब के सपने, उड़ान, उम्मीदें या प्रवास देने वाले दोस्त हुए। उनकी कामयाबियों के किस्से कौन नहीं जानता, मगर उनकी कामयाबियों के पीछे भी क्या दास्तान थी, संघर्ष की, गजब के समर्पण की। कलाम साहब हमारे बीच में नहीं है, मगर ये किस्से आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए सदियों तक प्रेरणा देने वाली है। तो आइए मिसाइल में ग्लोबल प्रेसिडेंट कहे जाने वाले डॉक्टर कलाम साहब की जिंदगी के ये पहलू को मुफ्त में पढ़ाते थे, जो रोज सुबह नहा कर आता था। उसमें से एक डॉक्टर कलाम भी थे। ट्यूशन से लौटने के बाद 3 किलोमीटर दूर धनुषकोटी रेलवे स्टेशन पे जाते, वहाँ से अखबार ले आते और घर घर जाकर बांटते। अखबार बांटकर स्कूल जाते, लौटने के बाद शाम को अखबार की वसूली के लिए जाते। कलाम साहब ने थकान को कभी अपने सपनों के आगे आना ही नहीं दिया। जैसे सपने देखोगे वैसे ही बन जाओगे, डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम साहब ने कहा था। डॉक्टर कलाम साहब को मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पर बुलाया गया। मंच पर 5 कुर्सियां थी, जिनमें से बीच वाली कुर्सी पर कलाम साहब को बैठना था। कलाम साहब ने बीच वाली कुर्सी पर बैठने से मना कर दिया। वजह ये थी कि बीच वाली कुर्सी बाकी 4 कुर्सियों से बड़ी थी। कलाम साहब बीच वाली कुर्सी पर तब तक नहीं बैठे जब तक वो हटा ही नहीं गई। राष्ट्रपति भवन से कोई गाड़ी नहीं जाएगी। क्यों सर? क्योंकि वो मेरे मेहमान हैं, ना कि भारत सरकार के। उनका जो भी खर्चा होगा मैं उठाऊंगा, ना कि भारत सरकार। पर सर उन्हें देने कौन क्या आएगा? उनके लिए टैक्सी भिजवा दी जाए। तब तक आने वाले करीबियों और रिश्तेदारों का खर्चा ना किया। जब जब उनका परिवार दिल्ली आया, उनके लिए राष्ट्रपति भवन से गाड़ियां नहीं गई, उनके लिए टैक्सी मंगाई गई। रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने महात्मा गांधी को महात्मा शब्द से नवाजा, पर इस दौर में डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम को किस नाम से जानेंगे? कुछ भी कह लीजिए, कामयाबी उनके पीछे थी। एक के बाद एक पहिए की तरफ झुकती चली गई। पर उनके पास क्या था? न खुद का घर, न खुद की हिस्से हैं जिन्होंने बैक बेंचर से फ्रंट लीड किया। अगर एक देश को भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त होना है तो मैं ये महसूस करता हूँ कि हमारे समाज में 3 ऐसे लोग हैं जो ऐसा कर सकते हैं। ये पिता, माता और शिक्षक। महान सपने देखने वालों के सपने हमेशा श्रेष्ठ होते हैं। चलो हम अपना आज कुर्बान करते हैं जिससे हमारे बच्चों को बेहतर कल मिले। डॉक्टर कलाम साहब ने कहा था।
Now we have dance. Dance is a fun way to learn and express ourselves. When we dance, we learn about different cultures, rhythms, and movements. It's like a special language that everyone can understand. STD4, we want to make sure that everyone in the world has access to good schools and teachers so they can learn and grow. Dance is one way to make learning more fun and exciting. Think of learning like a big puzzle. Dance is like a special piece that fits into the puzzle, making it more colorful and fun. STD4 is like making sure everyone has to make one puzzle so they can see the complete picture and learn everything they need to know. Dance is another way to learn and express yourself. Here we have a wonderful dance.
जब my heartfelt gratitude to our chairperson ma'am, principal ma'am, and for providing us with the opportunity and support to make our class show a resounding success. I must acknowledge the immense hard work and dedication of our children, whose excitement and enthusiasm during the practice session was truly immeasurable. Their zeal to perform their performance, repeating their parts again and again, was a joy to behold. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to parents who have been instrumental in helping us nurture the talent of our children. Your support and encouragement have meant a world to us. It was a culmination of tireless efforts from our dedicated art, dance, music, drama, and PE teachers, and all grade 3 teachers who worked in harmony to create a vibrant program filled with rhythms and beats. Now, thank you once again for all your contribution in making our class show an unforgettable experience. Now, I would request parents to give your valuable feedback, which is outside the auditorium, and you can collect these gate pass from the class teachers. Thank you.